Today's generation lives in a world of visibility. Lahat ngayon pinopost sa social media. Ultimo yung pagkain, bagong gadget, makikita natin yung mga youth, laging finiflex yan sa kanila pang mga social platform. Public validation, and then ang daming performance. So contrast ito sa ating pag-uusapan this week, unseen love. Ano yung unseen love? It is quiet, practical, consistent, enduring, and unashamed. So I've taken this lesson from 2 Timothy chapter 1 verses 16 and 17. Sabi ni Pablo in NIV version, may the Lord, ang sabi ng salita ng Diyos, may the Lord show mercy to the household of Onesiphorus because he often refreshed me and was not ashamed of my chains. On the contrary, when he was in Rome, ayan, nasa Rome po tayo ngayon, ang background natin, nasa Rome tayo. When he was in Rome, he searched hard for me until he found me. So, ang ating main character is not famous pero very significant ang kanyang naging buhay at contribution in the life of Apostle Paul. So, ating main character provides a good model of what unseen love is. Onesiphorus appears in the New Testament primarily in the second epistle to Timothy. His name, yung Greek origin ng kanyang pangalan, napakaganda ng ibig sabihin, bringing profit or bringing help, reinforcing the biblical depiction of him as one who ministered graciously. So, nire-record ng scripture yung bawat detalye na kanyang ginawa at ito ay nagbibigay sa atin ng napakagandang life lessons that we need to emulate in our day-to-day life. So, yung unseen love, dahil po not all love should be publicized, not all love is applauded. Some of the greatest love happens quietly. And what is encouraging is God sees every action of love we make. The unseen love of Onesiphorus shows up and refresh others. At ito makikita natin when Paul was in prison, anong ginawa ni Onesiphorus? He searched for Paul and found him. You see, he did not wait for convenience, kundi nag-volunteer siya, he pursued Paul until he found him. So yung pag-ibig na hindi nakikita, ganyan po, no? Sila mismo nagtitake ng initiative. And then kapag nagmahal sila, hindi na sila nagpo-post pa, hindi na nila ina-announce ito, but they simply showed up. Sa panahon ng kahinaan, sa panahon ng pagdurusa, sa panahon ng sakit, maaasahan mo sila na hindi na nila binobroadcast pa yung ginagawa nilang kabutihan sa kanilang minamahal. Unseen love shows up when it's convenient. Hindi siya loud, hindi niya ipinamamalita yung kagandahang loob ginagawa niya para sa iba. So paano natin mapapractice ito sa ating day-to-day life? It can be expressed in a quiet prayer, in an encouragement sa ating mga kaibigan, sa ating mga kapamilya, at sa pagbibigay na hindi na ina-announce. Unseen love is not ashamed. Number 2 point natin yan. Paul said he was not ashamed. Sabi niya kay Onesiphorus, hindi niya ikinahiya na ang kaibigan niyang si Pablo ay nakakulong. So unseen love stands with people even in their worst moments, not only in their best ones. Mga totoong kaibigan nito, mga totoong nagmamahal, that they don't walk away kapag may problema ka na o kapag may mga setbacks ka sa buhay mo. Their love stays with you even when other people walk away. Number 3, unseen love is consistent. Ito ang kailangan natin sa panahon ngayon. Marami mga kaibigan, marami mga kapamilya, mga nagmamahal na hindi po consistent sa kanilang pag-ibig. May the Lord grant that He will find mercy from the Lord on that day. You know very well in how many ways He helped me in Ephesus. Yan ang sabi ni Paul patungkol kay Onesiphorus in 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 18. So please notice yung sinabi niyang in many ways. It suggests repeated acts of kindness, not one-time good work. So ibig sabihin tuloy-tuloy na ipinakita ni Onesiphorus yung kanyang pagmamahal kay Apostle Paul. Unseen love is not occasional kindness but ongoing faithfulness. So Onesiphorus is not as famous as Peter or Paul, but his acts of unseen love were written into Scripture. So kinoment siya ni Pablo, and I do believe with all my conviction na nakarecord ang ginawang unseen love ni Onesiphorus sa heaven. So your unseen love may not be uploaded by people or appreciated even by your family or loved ones, but surely it is never unnoticed in heaven. You may never preach like Apostle Paul, But we can all love like Onesiphorus. Because unseen love is recorded by God. Nakikita ng Panginoon yung ating mga unseen love sa ating mga kapamilya. Hindi man tayo ma-remember na mga ginawa natin ng kabutihan, even our friends. But God surely remembers it and He will reward our unseen love. Just like Onesiphorus. God bless everyone.